It's an exciting time and a bold new chapter in a remarkable story that began in 1888 when pioneering Sisters of Charity of Nazareth and Sisters of Mercy created healthcare in Arkansas. It's the right moment to call out our sponsorship by Catholic Health Initiatives, CHI, one of the nation's strongest health systems, with academic centers, community hospitals, physician clinics, and long-term care facilities across the United States. It's a commitment to Arkansas, investing more than $200 million in technology and facilities over the last 5 years alone, so we can be here for you. Providing care that no one else does, achieving results that no one else can, innovating healthcare, creating healthy communities, and challenging others to follow. A new name with the same purpose and values you recognize. CHI St. Vincent. Imagine better health.